Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Podcast English Studio. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
Today's lesson is very useful for daily life.
Today's lesson is very useful for daily life.
Yes, today we're talking about prices. A price is how much something costs.
We talk about prices when we go shopping, eat at restaurants, or buy tickets.
Two very important words today are cheap, expensive. Two very important words today are cheap, expensive.
Expensive means a lot of money.
For example, this pen is cheap. This phone is expensive. It's cheap.
It's cheap.
It's cheap.
It's expensive.
This is cheap.
This is cheap.
That is expensive.
That is expensive.
Now let's ask about price.
A very common question is, how much is it?
For example, how much is this coffee? How much is this coffee? Let's try a short conversation.
Okay,
How much is this coffee?
it's $3.
Is it cheap or expensive?
It's cheap.
Nice. You can also say what you think.
For example, it's cheap. It's expensive. It's okay.
It's okay means not cheap and not expensive. Now let's do a role play.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
Is it expensive?
No, it's cheap.
Okay, I'll take it. Sometimes we compare prices.
For example, this shirt is cheap. That shirt is expensive.
You don't need long sentences. Let's imagine we are shopping together.
Sounds good.
Mark, how much are these shoes?
They're $50.
Wow, that's expensive.
Yes, but these shoes are cheap.
How much are they?
They're $20.
Okay, I like the cheap ones. Sometimes we talk about money limits.
You can say, I don't have much money.
Or, I'm on a budget.
That means you want cheap things.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. Is coffee cheap or expensive in your country?
Is food cheap or expensive?
Pause the video and answer. This is cheap.
This is cheap.
That is expensive.
That is expensive.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Imagine you are in a supermarket.
You see two items.
This apple is cheap. That apple is expensive.
You choose the cheap one.
Important tip. Don't say long sentences.
Simple words are enough.
Cheap. Expensive. Okay, now your challenge.
Speak for 30 seconds.
Talk about prices of food, clothes, coffee.
Use cheap or expensive.
Great job today. Now you can talk about prices in English.
This is very useful for daily life.
See you next time. Bye, Mark.
See you, Anna. Bye.
Bye-bye.